In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play your PS4 digital game offline even without an active internet connection. Now, before I start, there's one important thing to know. You do not need internet one time to set this up. After that, you will be able to play your digital games offline anytime. So if you don't currently have Wi-Fi, I recommend quickly turning on a mobile hotspot on your phone and connecting your PS4 to it, just for this setup. Alright, now let's get started. From the PS4 home screen, go to Settings. Now scroll down and select Account Management. Now choose Activate as your primary PS4. On the next screen, select Activate. Once you do this, the PS Network account you are currently signed into will be set as the primary account on your PS4. And that's it. From now on, even when you are completely offline, you will still be able to play all your PS4 digital games purchased from the PS Store. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.